Agriculture Commissioner Nikki Fried believes sports betting could violate Florida's constitutional amendment. Today she explained why to News Channel 8 political reporter Evan Donovan. He joins us from our Tampa newsroom now. Evan, this is just another area where the candidate for governor disagrees with Ron DeSantis.
One of many, Keith. Last hour we told you how Fried says she would have handled some COVID policies differently from the governor. I also pressed her on several recent issues making news, in some places national news, starting with her criticism that the governor was raising the state gas tax. Was that a fair criticism? Because those were statutory increases. He didn't do that.
Well, but he also had a special session last week. And, you know, if he actually had his eye on the ball and trying to protect people and the people of our state, that's something that should have been added to the call.
Agriculture Commissioner Nikki Fried, one of three major Democratic candidates vying to challenge Governor Ron DeSantis next year, also weighed in on the Seminole Tribe's gaming compact with the state that was shot down last week by a federal judge. Where do you stand on the compact?
Very clearly that we, the people, voted for a constitutional amendment that said in order for us to expand gaming, it has to be to the people. And I do believe that this compact expanded gaming significantly and that it should be brought before the people before any compact is put into place.
As Agriculture Commissioner, Fried is also challenging a state law that preempts local municipalities from enacting stricter gun laws. Why should gun owners have to deal with different regulations in cities they may only just be driving throughout the same state?
And so there's been all these loopholes that the state government has refused to take up and to deal with. But what they've done instead is said, local governments, we understand there's loopholes. We're not going to fix them. You're not allowed to fix them. And if you try to fix them as an elected official, it's the only place in Florida statutes where an individual can sue you personally for that decision.
This week, there's a huge case in front of the Supreme Court that could overturn Roe v. Wade and a new bill in Florida that would bring Texas's controversial abortion law here. We asked Commissioner Fried about how Democrats in Florida will handle those issues, plus what she'd do about illegal immigration. You can see our full interview with Nikki Fried Sunday morning at 9:30 on our weekly political show, Battleground Florida. In the Tampa News Center, Evan Donovan, 8 on your side.